Amazon changed FBA rules in 2026. One mistake and your cargo gets rejected. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. Factory pickup and quality inspection. We collect your goods, verify them against your packing list, and apply your FNSKU labels correctly. Step 2. Export customs clearance in China. Your commercial invoice and packing list are filed by a licensed customs broker. Step 3. Ocean freight. We help you choose between FCL and LCL. Since April 17, 2026, Amazon applies a 3.5% fuel surcharge on all FBA fulfillment fees. Step 4. Import customs clearance. Required documents vary by destination. USA needs ISF and FDA. Europe needs EORI and VAT. Canada needs CBSA. All paperwork is prepared before your cargo arrives. Step 5. Last mile delivery to Amazon FBA. Critical update. Since January 1, 2026, Amazon stopped all prep services. Everything must be done before your cargo ships. Savo supply chain. 15 years in freight, 0 excuses. We handle factory pickup to Amazon delivery. USA prep warehouse included. No surprises, no hidden fees. Send the word quote for a free price guide.